Hi there! If you've seen our previous episode, you know that we arrived in Martinique. We are currently working on the next episode to show you the beauty of this Caribbean island, but meanwhile we have another short video for you. We had to do the 250-hour service for our engines and the Saildrives, which is exactly the same as the 50-hour service, and we wanted to show how to do this to everyone who's interested in it. If this is not something you would like to see, don't worry. Another episode about our adventures in Martinique is coming up very soon.
So today we're going to service the engines of our boat. So I bought all these things: oil filter, fuel filter, pre-fuel filter, and maybe we have to replace this impellers. And this is the oil, so we're gonna do it ourselves. It saves us a lot of money and it's easy to do. It's not the rocket science. Changing the oil, part 1. Step in the engine bay. I'm going to start with cleaning the sea strainer. That's here. Look, that's this part. So I take a bucket to drain the sea strainer. So I open it up, clean it like this. It smells terrible. There's all rotten things inside. Look, take a bucket, put it there, call mommy. Mommy, help! So the next thing we do is take some paper and let's start to drain the oil. The sea strainer is cleaned and we're going to put it back where it belongs. Yep, and then we close it by hand, just like this. Now we are going to replace the oil filter of the engine. So for that I need a special tool that I can place on the oil filter. You see, like that. That's better. And now we can turn it. Haha. Now we're going to put some paper underneath this filter. Taking it off the oil filter. That's easy. Hoppa. Here's the oil filter. The new oil filter. Up. This is the new one. The only thing we have to do is take off the plastic. And then, before we take some oil from the old one, we have to put oil here. And grease it with oil. This shit is perfect. Here's some oil. Do some oil. Clean. Now we're putting back the oil filter by hand. Like so, and then you do it like this, and that's it. Clean it. That's nice. We're gonna do is the fuel filter. Oh, I'm sorry because I'm sweaty. I'm in the tropics and it's very hot, but anyway, it's fun. This is the fuel filter. So we're going to put my special tool on it, like so, and then we're going to turn open. Whoop. Take a bucket, put it underneath it, and then unscrew. Be careful, do not drop fuel, that's good. There's fuel inside. Now we take the new filter Fuel inside, be careful. We have here the new fuel filter. We have to open the plastic. We're going to take fuel and put it on this ring. Good. Going to put the fuel filter back in place. Clean it. That's fuel filter. Done. Fuel filter, that's that one, the black one. So we'll take off the electronics, maybe here, chuck like this. I'll take off the fire resistant, I don't know what it is, hose thing. The fire, this is to prevent fire. Put it under it and open the top. Then we have to open the screw on the top. Back. Up. And be careful. I don't spill that. This is the pre-fuel filter. Look at this fuel inside. So this piece and this piece, put it together like this. I'll take the oil. So I replaced the filter. Now I'm going to put the connections. You can do it wrong. You can't do it wrong because it's male, female, the opposite. So that's all you need to do for now. Like so. Then I opened the top plug. Here you cannot see it, but there's a ventilation plug. Now I have to prime the pump with this until the fuel comes out of this screw. So this is the gearbox. We take off this thing, we loosen this, and then I'll take it off like this. Put this on the side. This way we're going to open that so air can run in. This is the pump hose, this is the pump electronics. For the electronics, we'll take plus and minus there in the battery. Okay, we are finished, and now we're going to put the oil, recycle the filters, recycle the garbage, everything we've used. Like these are empty cans, these are plastic. Okay. Oil filters, fuel filters. So we recycled all our things. The oil filters, the plastic and the cardboard. We separated it and it can be recycled. And I'm very happy. And I washed my hands with special soap. So Tina is going to check the engine oil levels because she's the best first mate ever.
Bloopers.
Is it good?
Yep.
Yay.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're ready to go. Thank you for doing this great thing.